Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. You know, I look at this pier, I don't see the skeleton of the pier. I look at this and I still see fishermen on the pier, my friends sitting up on the benches, dolphins chasing fish, swimming back and forth under the pier, manatees going under the pier. The boats out there in the early morning with the fishermen getting their baits. The little snow egrets sitting on the fishing boats. All those wonderful memories that were made over the years here. So many people, so many wonderful memories from here. The sunsets. People from all over this world know where the Naples Pier is. It's going to be back. It's going to look a lot different. It's going to be stronger and better. I've actually seen people standing out here on the shore with a tear in their eye looking at the pier. Kind of have one in my eye right now thinking about it. Thinking about my good friend Roy, our good friend Roy, all the good times we had on this pier. Early in the morning watching the sunrise, watching the dolphins, waiting for our friend Connie to bring her banana bread, hoping she'd show up with her banana bread. That was a highlight in Roy's life. And Connie, if you're watching, thank you. Thank you for being so kind. Well, there you have it, the Naples Pier. Thanks for watching. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb. God bless.